Throughout 5,000 years of history, the rich cultural heritage of China has flowed like a mighty river, winding in and beyond successive dynasties. Central to Chinese culture is a view of the universe that begins with a concept of nothingness, a state of emptiness or void, which the Chinese call Wuji. Creation in this tradition is believed to have evolved over time, with the final or highest state being Tai Chi, the state of completeness. As ancient inhabitants sought to understand and relate to their universe, Tai Chi Chuan developed among crystallizing treasures. In Tai Chi, harmony and happiness for the individual can be achieved by tuning your life and lifestyle to those principles which are revealed and experienced as you practice Tai Chi. As you study Tai Chi, you will come to appreciate its unique life efficiency. Though some have taken on Tai Chi simply to learn its disciplines for maintaining health and acquiring defensive techniques, more and more people are being attracted to Tai Chi for the sheer enjoyment it brings in giving a feeling of control and contentment. There are 5 styles of Tai Chi: Chen, Yang, Sun, Wu, and Wu. Each of these styles involves a different type of physical movement. Chen, the oldest style, is marked by spiral silk winding fluidity, accented by standing medical meditation. These movements are used to ignite and stimulate the body's energy. Chen combines hard and soft, fast and slow, relaxing and springing motions. As you practice Chen and the other styles, you will feel real energy electrifying your body. Springing from the dantian, this pulsation moves through all the meridians and beyond, melding into the universe and connecting with nature. Thus, the use of mind, energy, and movements join together to form an original, natural, and high-class art.